Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and I have been working on some journals for a while now. So it's been a while since I've done a video, so I popped in. I thought I'll pop in and just do a kind of quick chit chat kind of thing, and show you like what are the journals that I've been working on. And also I have a new kit in my shop. I'll share that with you. And followed by this video, right away after this, you will see the updates or how I'm going to put together the envelope folio that I started working on. Yes, I have finished working on the panels and they are ready to be glued down, but I thought I'm going to share with you how they would look and how you can glue them and make the maximum use of a simple kit with perhaps only 10 pages and make it look so like substantial, you can say. So let's start the video by just giving you an update. I had been working on these tag journals. They are really chunky, as you can see, and I usually do not make such chunky journals, but I just couldn't stop myself. And this is a small folio that I have made. This has a box that I'm currently working on. Like as soon as I finish the box, I'm going to be putting this inside the box, and then you'll see how I put this there. And also what I plan on doing is show you, this was a food packaging kind of box which I am going to make into a vintage looking one, and I'm in the process of gluing stuff down. So probably I'll share the entire process with you, and you can recycle boxes like that if you have some like that. So so these are the two journals. They are nearly complete. I just have to ink some of the journal cards, all of the journal cards. So I'll probably do that with on a craft with me sort of video. And how lovely this looks. This is a die cut from Tim Holtz, and I've added a lot of laces, some vintage, some not so vintage. Here also it's the same thing. This is an image from Miss Tracy Fox, and yeah, they are very similar, but they're not exactly same. So I'm going to put these aside, and then I'm going to move on to show you what I have made out of the sunflower kit. The sunflower kit that I had watched oh my god, what am I speaking? I had watched Shabby Soul, Susie Hines, I suppose, doing something very similar, but this one is a little bit different. She had worked, of course, with Tim Holtz paper, and it was gorgeous, and I decided to do something very similar, but using cardstock pattern papers as well as the digital that I have. And this was perfect because the Sunflower Dreams kit that I have in my shop has a separate ephemera, has a separate ephemera kit, totally separate listing altogether, and it comes with a lot of ephemera in different sizes, so that you can create something like this. You don't have to have a bigger kit or an entire kit like this, but with tons of ephemera, random, you can make this into a random one also. You don't have to have it in a themed sort of way, but I decided to go the themed way. So I made an accordion, mini accordion journal. Yeah, so this is how it looks, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I have used cardstock pattern papers as the base, as I said, and then I have added pockets and stuff like that. It still needs a lot of work. I'm going to add a few charms, and I don't know if I will be listing this in my shop or not, because I'm not sure. I really love it. I'll probably make another one in a different theme, and then probably that is going to go into my shop. I'm not sure, but this one is a front panel sort of thing, and I created this out of some packaging, and then this was in the kit itself, ephemera kit, and so was the stamp. And this is a small tuck spot pocket, you can say. And when you turn this here, what I've done is, this is actually a part of a envelope 9 by I think 4 9x4 envelopes, those long ones, and I have trimmed those down. You know, I've used on two sides of the front and the back panels, and this is actually a pocket. I'll just show you. So here is a pocket. In between here you can tuck something. I don't know why this is not going in. Yeah, so you can put something in over here, and then this is just a tuck spot. I have added a little bit of ephemera. This is from Shabbydabbydoohdah, and this was on one of the papers that came in the Sunflower Dreams kit, and I decided to make it as the opening point. I'll probably add a cluster over here, and that is why I've kept it sort of off-centered. And this is the back. I have not done anything at the back. So this is the tag. This is a tag accordion book, she says, and I have sort of followed her process, but I've also tweaked a little bit here and there. So this is another pocket. This is a small booklet of sorts. This was actually a freebie in my Facebook group, and I've just shrunk that down and I've used that. And this was on one of the pages. And then we come to this. So this is another pocket. Okay. And this was actually a seed pocket that I made, seed packet sort of thing that I made. This came in the kit, the image and stuff. And I just used some, you know, scrap paper just to make some seed packet, and then I've glued that image on top, and here is a pocket which has been stitched into this accordion sort of thing. So if anybody is interested in how I made this using printables, then please comment below so that I can do this and do the video whenever I can. So this is another pocket. So this is a pocket. I could have created another pocket over here, but then I didn't, and now I think I could have. Anyways, so this is another pocket, again a mini cluster sort of thing with buttons and all. Here is a journal card. So these were actually journal cards that I made into pockets, and this is actually flip over. It has some small ephemera inside because this is actually a pocket, and that goes in. I'll probably add some lace or something just to hold on to this paper clip, and then you come to the end. So this is the back part, and then again I have layered all sorts of things, and this is another piece of the envelope, and this comes off, and you can see there's some ephemera over here which closes up, and then I put these in. And again, one of the pages, I have not used any pocket or anything. I just wanted to keep it bare. If I want, I can always attach something later on. This is the collage sheet that comes with the Sunflower Dreams kit, and I have made them into pockets. So these pockets are very organic style, and they also give you a glimpse of the collage papers. Again, another pocket. I have not glued or stitched this pocket. I can easily do that later on. This is another pocket, and then you open this. This is another pocket. This is a journal card that came in the kit. Okay, and this one, I hope you people remember when I was showing you a tutorial on how to make a 4-window mini ephemera folder sort of thing. I had made this, but then what I did was I attached this on the page with some washi tape. I have used some glue also so that it's very, you know, it's not going to go anywhere. And then I have added that as a page. So this is sort of a hinged journal page. And then I have created this pocket. Again, can go in here. Okay, and then you close this and you come to this. So this is how it's looking. So I have been busy sort of, but if anybody wants, I can do a process of this with a different theme, because I've already made one with the sunflower theme. and I'll do a proper flip of this once I finish everything. I intend to put in some charms and make the journal cards a little bit more dressy perhaps, and then do a official flip through. Now to the important thing. I have a kit, a digital kit in my shop. It has 12 pages. It is called Amethyst, and thank you, Cindy, for telling me that amethyst is your birthstone and purple is one of your favorite colors. I had no idea about this when I was creating this. This came about when I was trying to create some freebies for my Etsy store. So if you purchase anything above $8, I give you a freebie which consists of actually 5 sheets. I have these sheets with me. So these were the collage sheets that I was trying to create, and these are the 3 sheets, and also they came with some ephemera pieces which I have already cut down because I'm planning on creating something with these. So I have these ephemera, these are tags, some words, and I don't know, like some journal cards that I've already cut down, a butterfly, some fussy cards, some words. They are actually as a freebie in my in my Etsy store. And then I stumbled upon the idea that okay, so it has turned out so well, let me work on a kit which will have these elements. Now this kit doesn't come with any ephemera. You can create your own ephemera using the templates that I have in my shop, or any templates that you have, or anything that you want to create on your own, very organic and freestyle. That's going to work too. You can even fussy cut these out if you so want. There's also this add-on, not the add-on kit, but something very cohesive like the blue and purple fussy cut sheets that I also have in my shop. So you can use that also to decorate the tags and all. So this is one of the pages. There are 12 pages. So this is the second page. Of course, there are going to be some blank pages. So typical of me, because I want you to be more creative so that you can create your own ephemera and put your style or signature on it. So there are 3 blank pages. No, not 3, sorry. 4 blank pages. Yeah. So there are 4 blank pages that you can, make ephemera, tags and all. Journal cards, envelopes. They're going to go well with that. So 4 blankish kind of pages, and then this is one of the page. This is another of the page. This is another page. So this is the 3rd page. This is the 4th page. One page I had printed twice because I was not happy with how the print came out. So this is the 5th page. Let me show you. This is the 5th page. Absolutely love how this turned out. 6th page. 5th page. This is the 6th page. So they are very cohesive, very close, and you can make journal pages with them also. They really came out really very good, and I'm so thankful that I made this. Again, this is the 7th page, and this is the 8th page. They are not in any particular order, so you can pretty well make out for yourself. So these are the this is the small kit. And another thing is, this is a limited edition kit that I have made. Once it's gone, it's gone. I'm trying to build on this thing. Things are not going to be expensive, but they're not going to stay in my shop for long because I'm constantly creating new kits and they have to be listed in my shop. So the older ones need to go. They are going to be put aside. Probably I'll bring back some later on, depends. But there is a little chance, there is a very little chance of them making a comeback. So I've kept this kit in a limited format. I plan to make some add-ons and add them to my coffee shop, but I haven't had the time to do that yet. Probably I will do that over the weekend, and once I do, I'm going to do another update, and we're definitely going to create some things out of these and build kind of stash. So I post all the links in the description box. I hope you people like this kit, and thank you for being there. I know I've not been very regular, but sometimes we do have to make some choices and step back a little bit, take stock of things. I'm kind of at that point in my life right now, so I want to do this, but I also can't forsake my full-time job. So I have to, bring some sort of equilibrium between these two, and I want to seek out to you people to support me in this journey where I am trying hard to get a foothold in this digital artwork kind of thing. And I'm definitely thankful for you people for being there for me and not leaving me, making constant purchases, and I have thankfully completed 1,000 sales. That's only been possible because you people had been there, but I also need your support in the long run. So thank you everybody for being there. Bye. Have a great day.